Hello students, today's topic is about the number of atoms present in a face-centered cubic unit cell. So all you know that a face-centered cubic unit cell contains atoms at the 8 corners and at the center of all the 6 faces. Now I am going to draw the open structure of a face-centered cubic unit cell. See, this is a open structure of face-centered cubic unit cell. Here, the 8 atoms are present at the 8 corner positions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And other 6 atoms are present at the center of the 6 faces. See, figure 2 shows that an atom at face center of unit cell which is shared between 2 unit cells, and each atom will contribute half of its original volume. This is the unit cell with portions of atoms actually belongs to a FCC unit cell. These are the face-centered atoms present in front side of the unit cell, that is 1, 2 and 3, and other 3 face-centered atoms are in the back side of the unit cell. In case of FCC unit cell, one face-centered atom is shared between another face of the unit cell, because all we know that one unit cell of a crystal system is shared between 8 adjacent unit cells. So one phase will contribute how many portions of the atom? It will contribute half of its original volume. That is, face center atoms contribution will be 50-50. If one phase will contribute half portion, another phase will also contribute half of that atom. Now see the calculation. As each atom at the corner position contributes 1/8 to the unit cell, therefore the contribution of number of atoms in the corner is equal to 8 corner atoms into 1/8 atom per unit cell is equal to 1 atom. Next one is the one, as each atom at the face center is shared between 2 adjacent unit cells, thus the number of atoms present in the faces is equal to 6 face centered atoms into half atom per unit cell, that is equal to 3 atoms. Therefore, the total number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 1 plus 3 atoms, that is equal to 4 atoms. So students, hope you will understand this topic, and for more videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to make more videos on this type of topics. Thank you.